The washed cherries move on perforated, vibrating screen that drain away the excess water. The beans, now stripped of their red skins, appear pale green and slippery. They move through a series of discarded red coffee skins are piled up in a separate area of the factory. These will likely be repurposed as fertilizer or organic waste. Inside the roaster, the beans begin to change color from pale green to light tan. The heat causes them to expand and release a characteristic aroma. The beans reach a medium brown color, indicating they are halfway through the roasting process. Smoke and steam are vented out of the machine. The roasting nears completion as the beans turn a deep, rich, dark brown. Their surfaces become slightly The cooled beans are moved toward the grinding section. They flow like a dark river through the transport pipes of the facility. The newly formed instant coffee granules collect at the bottom of the chamber. They have a porous, jagged structure that allows a mechanical sifter sorts the granules by size, ensuring only the best quality pieces make it into the final product. A heat sealing machine presses down on the foil, creating an airtight bond with the glass rim. This ensures the coffee stays fresh for the consumer.
Jars pass through a labeling machine where the iconic Nescafe original labels are applied. The labels feature a picture of a steaming cup of coffee and the brand logo.
Dark liquid coffee is injected into each can as they pass under the filling heads. The process is incredibly fast, with dozens of cans filled every second.